Okay, so we are going to work on YouTube channel art, so let's get started. First, let's pick this one. Let's do effects, remove background. This is kind of really why I wanted to pick that one. And then let's do black. Control C. So, done. Control C. See document colors, black. Let me do a photo background instead, for the sake of simplicity. Let's do that. And backward. Okay, so since that is the background, this photo is the background, I can't really mess with the color too much. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to do an alternative. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do that. So Control C. Ashley Judd. I'm just making this name up. I'm sorry if someone's actually called Ashley Judd, but gaming vlogs, motion graphics, and then how do I mess with this even more? So let me go to elements here, joystick. So pretty basic, joystick, okay. A graphics tablet. And then camera. And let me move these around. So, excellent. Control Z. So, have that. And then the camera. You have that. And then let's see if we could move this here. And this is nice channel art. I think this is this would work really well. But sorry. Let's highlight this. And then let's assume her icon is gonna be around there, so around the bottom, so we don't want to mess around with that too much. So what we'll do is we want Ashley's name to stand out more. So what I think is a better idea, now that I think of it, is I'm thinking of here we're gonna change that. We're gonna change that even more. Here. Okay. So Ashley Judd. Your name is gonna be like ginormous, because I think that's a good idea for you. Here you go. Done. Vlogs. And then motion graphics, because Ashley's a designer, because of course he is. And then let's crop this. Here. Done. And then let's go here. Let's center this. Okay. Looking nice. And let's go to photos. Desktop. Gaming. Desktop. Okay, let's try searching Monster PC. Okay. Gaming. Okay, let's just search gaming, whatever. This will work, this will work, this will work. This will work. And I forgot you can't do backwards, so what I'm gonna do instead is do this like so. Actually, I have a better idea. So let me go to photos. Let me search person. Let's pretend that this is Ashley, so because we're trying to show you how to do a generic banner for yourself, so we don't have to like go to extreme routes at this case. But let's pretend she's Ashley Judd. And filters. Apply remove background. Let's move this text a bit more and her a bit more. Great going. Now we made Ashley Judd's YouTube channel art. I think it looks pretty good, pretty decent, especially for esports graphics. I think this looks really professionally designed. You can mess around with different fonts. You don't have to pick this template, so you could really just have it minimalistic if you want. Something else you could do is you could mess around with color tones. So what's nice is you could apply the text to other templates, as you could see. So you have Ashley Judd still, so here you do. So here's her thing, and let's just say you want a really simple element, so it's joystick. Here you go. I think this actually effects, remove background. Actually, that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so let me try this. And instead of removing background, I'm just gonna make it transparent like so. And then you got yourself a very minimalistic, still really well designed channel banner. So yeah, that is another example. Now let's say you want something more technical. I got you. I know some of you are thinking like, hey, we want something that really like shows esports. Which I get it. I get it. Let's let's search line here. So this is one of my favorites because you could really you really could mess around with this if you want to, but I know some of you already seen me do this style before, but I will do it again for demonstrations in this tutorial. But here you have a line here, so split it down the middle, position forward. Okay, right? So far so good. Let's search here you have let's search game. So let's say use the upload feature obviously for in-game screenshots and stuff like that, but let's just continue searching indie game. Video game. This is way harder than it needs to be, but you get what I'm looking for. So let's keep searching. Okay, let's just search esports. So let's pretend we have our esports team here right now. So let's see if we could if there's a way to like frame this. So back here. Okay, so let's circumvent the line a bit. Let's position athlete forward. So let's say this is your esports team, or since this is actually for Ashley, let's make this actually just Ashley, so not her esports team. So let's go here, and this is what we'll do. Now it's gonna be her, right? And then here we're gonna circumvent the line. Right? And then here you're gonna position forward. And then game. Say Call of Duty Mario Kart. No, know, I thought that was a video game screenshot of like a different game, but whatever, it's fine. It's not even Mario Kart, that's just a plain old Mario. Whatever. This will work for the demo, but use the uploads feature to upload your in-game screenshots. I'm just trying to just show you a demo. But position, backward, backward, backward. Now you have actually Judd's channel art or banner, and something else that you could do is Control Z. Something else you could do is obviously at this point you want this to stand out more, and then probably spacing is a bit less, and then letter text height is a bit less. Here I would actually ungroup this. I would pretty much ungroup this. And then I would Control Z. I would regroup that. So I mean, you don't have to, but Control Z. And then you have that. And then something I would do is and then this I might just get rid of that altogether. It's too distracting, or I might replace this with a actual joystick instead. I know I sort of wanted to add that in, but you know, it is what it is. I feel like this is now a better design choice. I don't really like the green too much, so might want to actually make that white. Right down the line. Ashley Judd, you got your YouTube graphics.